Amazon CloudWatch alarms are one of the simplest and most powerful ways to keep an eye on your AWS infrastructure before problems impact your users. In this CentLinux tutorial, you will learn step-by-step how to create a CloudWatch alarm, choose the right metrics, set meaningful thresholds, and configure notifications so you get alerted instantly when something goes wrong. With hands-on DevOps experience and real-world AWS best practices guiding each step, this session will help you build a more reliable, proactive monitoring setup for your cloud workloads. First, we will review the key CloudWatch metrics available in this account. For this tutorial, a dedicated Amazon EC2 instance stress test has already been configured for testing, and we will use it throughout the demonstration. Now, we are creating a CloudWatch alarm using the CPU utilization metric for our stress test EC2 instance. Here, a quick note. This demo uses the SNS topic configured in the previous CentOS Linux video. So if you need help setting that up first, the link to that tutorial is available in the description. Now, we're going to validate our CloudWatch alarm by generating some test load on the stress test EC2 instance. Additionally, we are setting up a CloudWatch dashboard for our stress test EC2 instance. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to CentLinux. Hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.